You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
Easy, fast,
And with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. So that you can change the back shock absorbers on your vehicle, you must lift the rear of the vehicle and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the rear wheels, raise the rear of the vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. Open the trunk. Remove the plastic holding rivet in the carpet. Move the carpet. Remove the protective cover. You will now gain access to the head of the shock absorber. Using a 14mm wrench, unscrew the lock nut on the head of the shock absorber. Using an adjustable spanner, hold the stem of the shock absorber and unscrew the bolt with a 14mm spanner. Remove the strut mount. These elements can often get jammed, so use a penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. With a socket wrench and a 14mm socket, unscrew the lower holding screw on the shock absorber. You can now remove the shock absorber.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new shock absorber. You need to pump it several times on the actuator to get the system going. Install the sleeve from the old shock absorber if you do not want to replace it. Put the new shock absorber in place using the upper part. Slide the lower part into its housing. Put the upper strut mount back in place. Roughly screw the upper holding nut in using an adjustable spanner and a 40mm socket. You can use a jack to help you align the location of the screws and the foot of the shock absorber. Then, screw in the screw. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. You can now remove the jack. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Put the rubber cover back on. Put the carpet back in and put the rivet back in place. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle putting it back on the ground before properly fixing them in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.